Hi guys, today we're doing an unboxing for the Onexplayer 2. This is a 1600U based device with 32 gigabytes of RAM and 2 terabyte hard drive. I've been kind of looking forward to this one because of the unique way they did the controllers. Alright. Enjoy my time anywhere and anytime. Alright. This is the main body of the unit. Got an 8.4 inch screen. Up top we have a micro SD card, full size. I want to say it looks like a 3.2 USB and a Type-C plug there. I do not know if it's USB 4, but I'm sure it will work with, say, a dock where you just plug that in, get video out, and extra USB and such. There's a headphone jack. That little dot right there, I believe, is the microphone. I'm not certain. Over here we have power, volume rocker, and that says turbo, I believe. Most likely will bring up their custom program for adjusting things like TDP, fan volume, and whatnot. It's got a kickstand here. On the bottom we have the USB, and this here connects to the screen protector and keyboard. I grabbed that in anticipation of this review, or unboxing really. Okay, moving on. This is what kind of makes this particular one unique, because this is trying to emulate the Switch. Got the controller, and it should just slide on like that. These are supposed to work on or off just like you would with the Nintendo Switch. But if I'm right, it also has another thing in common, is that if you take them off, you should have a, oh, it didn't come in, it looks like. Well, there's supposed to be a unit you can put them both on to act basically a controller away from the body of the unit, so you can still use it. Maybe you have it as a small remote screen kind of situation. There's a nice cable, braided, so I say that's probably about 30 feet, about a meter long. Little pamphlet of information. Well, it's information. Whether you can read it, it might be the only problem. Well, guys, that seems to be all they've included in this box. I guess they sell that one piece separately. I will make note of that in an upcoming review that I plan to do over this device. I also got an unboxing of the Asus, the ROG Ally. And then I'll be doing reviews of both these items. So look forward to that. If you like the video, please hit thumbs up. If you haven't already, subscribe, because it'll let you know about all the items I'm doing, all the videos coming up. And make sure to hit the bell notification too if you really want to know right away. Thanks for watching, guys, and have a great day.